Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload an existing video file that you have on your computer to Canvas Studio, how to generate automated captions, and then how to embed that video within your Canvas course. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to your Canvas Studio library. And to do that, you want to use this blue navigation menu in Canvas and click the Studio button. That will bring you to your Studio library. If you've uploaded or downloaded things before, you'll see that reflected here. If you're working from scratch and you have a blank slate, that's great too, but you're going to have a video in here soon enough because we are uploading a video today. All you need to do is navigate here in the upper right corner and click this add button. A little pop-up appears for you and you can either drag and drop your video file in this space, or you can click this blue Browse Files button and then use your computer's directory to find the video that you'd like to upload. Go ahead and add that, and you can see here that my video is uploading. It might take a range of time depending on how long your video is, but it will eventually come here into your library. If it does take a while, you can navigate away from this page with no problems. You don't need to sit and watch it. So the next part is adding our automated captions. And to do that, you want to click the title of your video, and that will bring you to this page. And we want to go to this Captions tab. And when I click this, it allows me to request automated captions. When I click this field here, I can select the language, which is going to be English, and then click this blue request button. And you can see here that Canvas Studio is generating the captions. Again, this might take a while depending on the length of your video. What's nice is that you'll get an email notification when the captions are complete and ready for you to review and publish. That can prompt you to come back here and click this review and publish button, which will show you the transcript for your video. This is a really short video, so I just have this one line, but if yours is longer, you're going to see lines and lines of text. But what's great about this, if you wanted to edit the captions, is you can just click right in the field and add your edits this way. And once you go through and review and make your edits, it's just a matter of clicking this green publish button. This is not what I'm saying in the video, so I'm going to remove this and go ahead and click my publish button. Let's move on to the next step, embedding that video. So go ahead and navigate to your course, and then you want to find the page where you would like to add your video. I'm going to actually create a new page for these purposes. And then go ahead and click your page. Click the edit button. And then if you have existing text, you want to use your cursor to identify where you want the video to go, whether that's beneath some text or above it. Just make sure that you place your cursor in that spot. And then you want to go up here to the content editor and click this plug button. When I click the little caret, I get a drop-down menu to select Canvas Studio. When you click the button, if you're using Studio for the first time for embedding purposes, you might get a pop-up with a longer list. Just go ahead and find Canvas Studio and select it from there. But when you click Canvas Studio, it's going to pull up your library and you'll be able to select the video that you would like to add. I have my video that I just uploaded right here, so I'm going to click select. And then Canvas Studio does give you a few options. By default, this display media tabs option is turned on. This will allow students to make comments on your videos. If you're not prompting students to do that, I recommend that you turn this off. Otherwise, you get this add-on comment space. But if you do want students to comment, you can go ahead and leave that on. The second option here will allow students to download your video. If you want students to do that, you can toggle this on, but again, my recommendation is to just leave it off. Just kind of depends on your preferences. And then once you're ready, go ahead and click the blue embed button. You'll see Canvas Studio work its magic, and then there is my video in my page. A neat little trick here, because you can see this window is kind of small. Here in the lower right corner, I have these little parallel vertical ellipsis lines. If I click and drag that, you can see I have a little bit more space. So if I have my surrounding text, I can see how everything is situated. You want to make sure that you click save so that your video sticks to that page. But here you can see you have your video. When you play it, you can also click this little cog for the settings, and you can enable the captions that you just generated. And when you play the video, you can see the captions up there. And that's it. Now you have your video uploaded, captioned, and embedded in your Canvas course.